I'm gonna unbox this speed 2x2x2 speed cube. It's the brand is Fantix. Warning, choking. Who cares? Yeah, it's from Japan. This one's from Japan. You can tell from right here. It has like this. Right here. It has like this barcode, which is what it is. But it's a good. I've heard really good reviews about it. And it's a really great speed cube. So let's get into it. Oh, that was nice and easy, so I can keep this for storage. Okay, here's what it looks like. Just has this, like how to solve your Rubik's Cube, I guess, which is pretty nice. Yeah, it has like, let's see here. So it has like this, how to solve the Rubik's Cube if you don't know how. That's pretty nice for beginners.
Okay,
I don't need that.
Really bad.
So,
Really down. I'd like to fix the practice piano, and I will be down in like
it's really
maybe 20
good.
minutes, okay?
Okay, it's a really good Rubik's Cube. It's just bust out of the package, and it's already good. Okay. It's really good Rubik's Cube. Let's see if we can turn the corners easily. It's not that easy. Oh, yeah, you can. Sweet. So, yeah, it's a really good Rubik's Cube compared to my sister's.
Yeah.
My sister's, see, as you can see, it's like this.
Because you turn corners.
And you can't turn the corners.
Yeah.
See, I'm trying to pull this corner, and I can't. But and hers is like slower. Mine is a speed cube, which means it goes faster. I like speed cubes because they are really cool speed cubes, and yeah. So yeah. So if you ever are wanting a speed cube, go on Amazon. Get this speed cube because it is the best. Here is what it's called. It's right there. Fantix. So type in on Amazon. If you want this exact same cube, go to Amazon.com, or if you have the Amazon app on Android or iPhones or iOS, type in Rubik's Cube, a speed cube, and then look up for this. Well, I need to get this back out. Just look for this logo. Just looks like that. Okay. And then it'll pop up. It's 2x2, so it's really cool. But you can get a like a set of the speed cubes. So a 4x4. So you can get this, a 3x3 speed cube with it, a 4x4 and a 5x5, all for $20. And yeah. So bye.